Located here in Tomorrowland, and
Richard, the People Movers open! Welcome back, People Mover. Let's ride!
And on the People Mover, you move. So right now, we're gonna get on the People Mover! Woo! We made it! Thank you!
Brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide sus niños. Gracias. Please step carefully onto the moving platform, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated.
We're on the People Mover!
So happy!
Welcome aboard the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover, your quiet and carefree highway in the sky. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your Grand Circle tour of Tomorrowland. Along the way, you can preview many of the exciting places you'll want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow.
We're so happy that the People Mover is moving!
The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Starr Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
There's nothing like moving on the People Mover.
We are moving on the People Mover!
It's the only way to move.
Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world.
The People Mover is the only way to move.
When you gotta get around, this transportation never stops!
We love the People Mover.
People Mover!
For a different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside the rotating pier, full families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today.
Carousel of Progress!
It's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow!
Reminder that there's always a great first present at the People World's Fair. This legendary circular fair celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
Do you like the People Mover? We do!
It's time for our haircuts.
Oh my goodness!
To infinity.
And beyond! Tight schedule.
Transportation system.
We love the People Mover.
Our grand circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Welcome back, People Mover!
You're the best!
Thank you for moving people around the park at Tomorrowland!
Thank you, People Mover.
Remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Caution.
Woo! So special to be back, and thank you, People Mover.
And I was a People Mover! The People Mover is moving! Don't forget to like and subscribe!
Like and subscribe. Okay, thanks, bye.